Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
I'm
sir.
Arif Bacchus from WinBeta.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
And I want to hear a little bit more about how you use Windows 10 at Hendrick Motorsports and how you could use Microsoft Teams in the organization moving forward.
Absolutely. So Windows 10 was a great operating system for us to really deploy and standardize on. Before, we on the traditional input side, as far as a workstation or a laptop type device, we were pretty much all Windows 7 professional. And then you take a look at the other devices in the mobile workspace when we're actually at the track and we need to have those tight quarters. We were really relying on more touchscreen devices and Surfaces and various tablets from Panasonic as well. So for those devices, we ran Windows 8.1 because they were more touch friendly. That really had a challenge for us in the IT organization because now we had to support two different operating systems. The race engineers and other engineers in the department had to understand the nuances between the two operating systems. And Windows 10 really allowed us to focus all that into one operating system that was always updated and updated as a service. Windows as a service is something we definitely subscribe to. That way we don't ever have to worry about rolling out another operating system as far as a major deployment. The other thing it allowed us to do is take advantage of the Universal Windows application platform. And so where we were spending double cycles developing applications to be more touch-friendly or versus traditional human input devices, now we can develop one application and push that through the Windows Store for Business. And it makes our interfaces and the guys that's on the road a lot smoother to deploy application updates. It's very intuitive because they're already used to using things like the App Store or Google Play. Now it's just Windows Store for Business. They pull down those apps, stays updated, and it's very easy in the mobile workspace.
And how about Microsoft Teams? How would you use that within Hendrick Motorsports moving forward?
We're very excited. For us, the persistent chat functionality is key, especially during the actual race event. That way, in case there's any disconnection from a race engineer standpoint, they can see once they've reconnected to the network. They can see anything that's transpired while they were away. So never again do we miss a critical piece of information. It's very instantaneous. So as the cars are going around the track, we're communicating across our four teams. We don't have to break radio silence. We don't have to worry about audio type communications because it's very obviously noisy in those environments. So it's all encrypted both at rest as well as in motion. So we're very confident that we're secure. Our competitors are shoulder to shoulder with us, and so we take security very seriously. The other aspect of Microsoft Teams specifically is the tight integration with Office 365 and everything that we're going with Office 365 today. So now the guys don't have to have 4 or 5 different applications open, collecting all their data. We can really shorten that list up and have everything inside the same UI interface for the guys to be able to quickly analyze the data they need to hopefully make a winning race decision.
So you would say it's better than the technology that you used before Microsoft Teams came out?
Absolutely. Okay. Yeah, that rich integration is key. It also, from an IT perspective, allows us to control the environment around our IP to make sure that it's secure. And the other pieces of that is when we start to add users to the environment, it's already integrated with Azure AD and AD on-prem, so adding users and getting that presence information is very seamless for all of our users. They're already used to some of the Skype functionality from the Skype client, and then obviously within Outlook and things of that nature. So Skype Teams is a great location for active collaboration and active communication.
So would you say that you're partnered with Microsoft,
yes,
per se, does that give you a competitive advantage
I
over the other teams?
Absolutely. We look at where the sport is today and the amount of engineering ability that we can put in the car, and that box is really strong. So it's very finite challenges that we have to be able to really get competitive advantages on the car anymore. So the sport as a whole has really changed into more of a data-driven sport, very F1-esque, if you will. And so the competitive edges today and really into the future, we believe, is going to be on how quickly can you consume data and make the intelligent decisions based on that data. And certainly Microsoft and the Azure platform has allowed us to escalate very quickly and be very agile with the development of big data analytics, machine learning, and then on the front side of that, Power BI. We kind of look at Microsoft Teams in particular as kind of that last mile, and to use a telephony company term. That last mile is really where it's at, and how you basically expose that information to the users in a very timely manner, and be able to collaborate around that data. And so it's a great platform as a whole to really springboard and stay very agile in today's digital world.
So with the power of Microsoft Teams, Jimmy Johnson will be taking the checkered flag at Homestead, Miami as the champion.
Man, that would be great. No, 7 times. He started being called 6 times. He's ready to be called 7 times. He's certainly great at it. So,
Thank you so much for your time.
Yes, sir. Take care.